Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot install Instagram. Try again, and if it still doesn't work, see common ways to fix the problem. So guys, if you're trying to download Instagram or any other app on Google Play Store but you are facing this issue and you are unable to download the app or install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply update your device to the latest version. So I simply update your device to the latest version, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply reset factory settings of your device for one time. So I simply reset the factory settings of your device for one time, and after this you have to simply sign in your Google account again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Google support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.